Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Laravel, maintaining an activity log is essential for tracking changes in your application, such as user actions, model changes, and system events. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through implementing an activity log using a popular package called spatie/laravel-activitylog. Prerequisites. Make sure you have the following: Laravel installed, preferably version 8 or higher. Composer installed on your machine. Step 1. Install the package. First, you need to install the spatie/laravel-activitylog package via Composer. Open your terminal and run. Step 2. Publish the configuration file. Next, publish the package's configuration file using the artisan command. This will create a config/activitylog.php file where you can customize settings. Step 3. Run the migrations. The package comes with a migration file to create the activity_log table. Run the following command to create the necessary table in your database. Step 4. Set up the model. You need to set up the model S that you want to log activity for. For example, if you have a post model, you can make it log changes. In your post model, you can use the logs activity trait. Step 5. Log activity. Now that your model is set up, you can create or update posts, and the activity will be logged automatically. For example, in your controller. Step 6. Retrieving activity logs. To retrieve the activity logs, you can use the activity helper function. For example. Step 7. Displaying activity logs. You can display the logs in your view. Here's a simple example. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to set up an activity log in Laravel using the spatie/laravel-activitylog package. You can track changes made to your models effortlessly, which can be particularly useful for auditing and troubleshooting. Feel free to customize the logging behavior by modifying the log attributes and get description for event methods in your models. You can also extend the setup to log additional events or customize the storage of activity logs further. Additional resources. Spatie laravel-activitylog documentation, https://spatie.be/docs/laravel-activitylog/v4/introduction. Laravel documentation, https://laravel.com/docs. Happy coding!